Hi guys! Good morning, good evening. Today is June 3, 2024 at 11:53 in the evening. So, going morning na. Hi! Today, I'll just, document na this is the first day that I'll be trying this out. Ano yun? Kasi lagi akong nakikita mga TikTok videos regarding sa mga papapayat. And ito parang nakita kong hindi magastos. So, let's see if this will be a positive experience for me. It's about drinking half of a lemon in a cup of coffee, black coffee. So, half ng lemon, squeeze it, tapos 1 tablespoon of coffee. I will try it out. I'm currently I'll show you how heavy I am. Wait a moment. Okay guys, so nung last weigh-in ko was 92 kilograms. 2 weeks ago, nung nagkasakit ako, nagkaroon ako ng upper respiratory tract infection. So, ngayon, let's see. Ayun po, guys. So, I'm currently at 91.55 kilograms. Thankfully naman, hindi pa ako lumalagpas sa 92 kilograms. Maximum ko talaga 92 kilograms ever since. Yun ang pinaka-heaviest ko. I stopped taking psyllium fiber. Bakit? Wala lang. Nakalimutan ko lang bumili. Tapos, sobrang busy ko sa life. Ako lang mag-isa, I'm a solo parent. And, my son has special needs. Both me and my son have special needs. Solo parent, we live alone. We don't have a yaya. I work at night. And, I take care of Jazz the entire day. So, yeah. Let me go ahead and try this drink out. And I'll tell you how it tastes like. Ito po. Bango. Mabango siya because of the lemon. Nawala ng pagkapait ng black coffee dahil sa lemon. Tolerable naman yung taste. Asim. Asim. Hindi mapait mong kape, maasim. So, yeah. I'll try this out for 7 days. Kasi sabi kasi nila, it would help detoxify your body. Tapos, you have to drink it early in the morning. And since I work at night, my sleep hours are from 8 p.m. until 10:30 p.m. So, basically, ang gabi ko umaga. So, I'm going to drink this at the start of my shift. And then, we'll see how it goes. For 1 week, I will show you the result. Thank you! Grabe ang init, no? Grabe, bukas yung aircon at saka bukas yung electric fan. Nakatutok nung isang electric fan kay Jazz. Tapos yung isang electric fan umiikot para umano sa akin ng hangin. Ganun kainit dito sa Pilipinas. Well, anyway, talk to you guys soon. Bye! Hi guys! Good evening! So, today is June 10, 2024 at 11 sakto. 11 o'clock p.m. It's been 7 days. So, this is the 8th day of me taking the lemon with coffee, with black coffee at night. Tell you honestly, I was not able to drink nung Saturday and Sunday kasi deads to the world ako pag gabi. Kasi off ko nun, kaya hindi ako nakainom. So, basically, 5 days. 5 days ko lang siya ininom. So, what am I going to do today? I will show you how I weigh to see if meron talagang changes. So, tara, let's see. So, makakagising ko lang talaga. Yan o, tignan nyo guys. Oh. Ang ano ko, what do you call this? Dami ko nang binili. Lemon. Okay. It's time. Okay. It's time. Oops. Kulit naman ni Cutie. Okay. Bayan, ayaw talaga. No? Imposible. $91.40. Last na to ah. Ba yan? Ayaw. Wala ka. Last na talaga to, promise. Nyek. $90.70. 4 times sa charm. Look. Pa talaga. Ang weird na tong weighing scale namin ah. Imposible. Tumaba ako. Imposible.
What are you doing?
So guys, as you can see, hindi siya effective. Maybe because 2 days na hindi ako binom and ang dami ko kinain kanina kasi nag-SNR kami. Pero, I will continue on doing it kasi sayang. Bakit dami kong biniling lemon, no? Meron pa akong dalawang lemon sa fridge. So, continue ka lang nung pag-take ko na to. And I will take a video next week ulit. So, currently, 91.75. Yan. 91.85 to 91.75. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!